Indira Bhavan became the center of action today as the Congress Working Committee met to discuss critical issues facing the country. Led by Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge ji, with CPP Chairperson Sonia Gandhi ji, Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi ji, and members of the Congress Working Committee present. The focus was clear: how to protect the Constitution and stand up for the rights of the people, including the right to work, the misuse of institutions, and attacks on minorities in a time when power is being misused every day. One issue discussed at length was Manrega.
मनरेगा से गांधी जी का नाम मिटाने और मजदूर के अधिकार को खैरात में बदलने की हर साजिश का लोकतांत्रिक विरोध करेंगे।
मनरेगा से देश में करोड़ों लोगों को एक मिनिमम वेज मिलती थी, तो ये डायरेक्ट राइट्स बेस्ड का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है उस पर आक्रमण है। मुझे बताया गया है कि ये डिसीजन डायरेक्टली प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफिस से लिया गया है, कैबिनेट से बिना पूछे ये डिसीजन लिया गया है।
हम शपथ लेते हैं कि भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस पार्टी अग्रणी भूमिका लेते हुए 5 जनवरी से मनरेगा बचाओ अभियान की शुरुआत करेगी।
Another issue that drew serious concern was SIR, Special Intensive Revision. It was described as a clear attempt to manipulate voter lists. The CWC made it clear that it will not allow the names of Dalits, tribals, backward classes, minorities, or the poor to be deleted or shifted, because democracy survives only when every vote counts. The CWC also condemned the misuse of institutions like the ED, IT, and CBI to intimidate the opposition and vowed to fight it legally and without fear. The members condemned the attacks on Hindu minorities in Bangladesh and exposed the hypocrisy of BJP and RSS affiliates disrupting peace in India on Christmas Day, saying such double standards weaken the country and tarnish its global image. The CWC also briefed on progress in strengthening the organization through the Organization Creation Campaign, which has already appointed new leadership in nearly 500 districts, with the remaining districts to follow, laying the groundwork for a united fight in the 2026 state elections. The message from Indira Bhavan is clear. The Congress will protect the marginalized, the poor, and the Dalits. The Congress will fight to defend democracy and the Constitution, and the Congress will take this fight to the ground.